got good brakes. Better than this guy. Love this guy. What up? Funny to see you again, man. Yeah. Dude, that was sick. Yep, quick end to that. I am going home. I don't care if that's the nicest cop on earth and he's gonna let us go and he just wanted to fucking give me a hot kiss on the mouth. Not gonna stick around to find out. Oh my God, turn green. I need to go home. Thank you. Fuck that guy. Hello, officer. I'm a good boy, I swear. Is that an undercover Fetty man? It is! God, they're everywhere. I'm not like one of these 1000cc sport bike, like, fast boys who run no plate and will dip. I got a plate and my bike is not that fast, but That doesn't mean I don't be getting stupid on these public roads, so these cops are a little bit scary. And as someone who gets intentionally stupid on public roads, if I get pulled over or I'm not running, I'm taking the consequences. I kind of earned it. But that doesn't mean I can do everything in my power to avoid getting pulled over and getting put in that spot to begin with. Is that a fucking helicopter? Don't be turning around near me! I wasn't doing anything crazy to warn a helicopter. Come on! Are you leaving? Unrelated oh, thank God. Unrelated helicopter.